Hello. I don't normally do stuff like this, but I'm just going to show you a scroll saw letter I'm going to cut out in a minute. I've started one and I thought I'll just video it. Anyway, so first of all, how I do it, I put masking tape back in on the wood I'm cutting, like so. Just do it quickly. I'm not going to actually do this, but I'm just going to show you what I do. And then it don't get all sticky up and messed about with. And then you take the letter that you're wanting to scroll out. You do it quickly, this, like I say. So then you stick the letter on top of there. We've got that, haven't we? And basically use some fast tack glue. So you spray that side, spray the other side, and you stick it on there like that, and then that'll give you the base to cut out on. So it makes a bit of a mess. This is one I've done already, but like I say, it allows you to cut the letter out. So we'll cut this one out while we've done it. So we've already started, like I say, we cut the middle out, which you have to drill in all, and then you have to dismantle your blade. Just make sure tension's right on the braids. I don't want to be snapping any on camera. And then I've started this, so what we'll do, we'll finish this off, and then, like I say, it's just a quick video of how I do it. A lot of people stick the letter in directly on the wood, but then for me it makes a bit of a mess on the wood, so I put masking tape on, stick that to that, and then when you finish you can pull the masking tape off and you're left with a decent wood. So anyway, here we go. Put my glasses on.
The devil I see
last bit. Right, switch that off. So needs sanding down and what have you. But like I say, if you don't put the masking tape on, this is a swine to get off. With masking tape on, it comes off and leaves wood pretty decent. Whereas if you just glue it directly, it makes a bit of a mess. Anyway, there you go. Hope you like the song, by the way.